What's good? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We almost at 1,000, about 140, 150 more to go, man. Y'all tap in, let's get there. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Y'all give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now let's get right into it, man. This is the shoe that I've been most excited for since seeing them last year. I've been most excited for this shoe in 2023 so far. And we'll see how the rest of the year goes, but let's start with these, man. Has that red Jordan 1 box, man. Same Jordan 1 box, but just flip the colorway. The Jordan 1 box is usually all black with the red hits. This one is all red with the black hits. The tag on this joint reads Air Jordan 1 High 85 Black Summit White. This is a size 9, man. I do have a size 11 on the way. I'm gonna try to swap that joint for that 11.5, 12. That's another story for another day, man. We'll get there. Regular box top, nothing special about the actual box. Paper on the inside, the same 85 paper that we've seen on the other releases. Has the wings, the 23, and the Jumpman logo on there. Now this shoe does come wrapped in the white paper. I already took the paper off of this one, taking a sneak peek, but the shoe comes wrapped just like this, man. Comes wrapped all the way up. Don't really feel like getting into that right now, so I'm just gonna check out this one, man. Check out this one. Both shoes are the same, man, so we're not missing out on anything there. Here we have the Air Jordan 1 High 85 black and white. The new school folks are calling them Pandas. The OGs are mad and calling them black and whites. I call them Heat, man. I always wanted the black and white. I had a 2014 pair, sold them. Glad to have these back. Even though it's not my size yet, I'm gonna make it happen. Like, I'm gonna make it happen for sure. Let's get into the shoe, man. Now, a lot of people are not a fan of the leather that they've been putting on the 85, saying that it's super stiff. And, I mean, for the most part, I agree. It is like a stiff leather. I would much rather get that 2016 Bread, Shatter Backboard, 2017 Royal type of leather on my ones. But with the 85 cuts, man, they've been trying to do something a little different, man, and I'm here for it, bro. The only other 85 I have is the reverse breads. Missed out on Georgetowns. Not really a fan of blue shoes, even though those are like one of the cleanest ones. Did miss out on Georgetown. Now, they had to do something different with the 85 cuts, man. Just can't name them 85s and still keep giving out the same thing. So I'm not mad at it, man. A lot of the sneaker experts and things like that have been saying that this is better leather. And that it breaks in really well, but I haven't worn my 85s enough to get to that point. Still stiff on me. They're clean, but they're still stiff on me, but it's all good with me, man. Now, these joints do come with white laces. Black laces already factory installed. White laces in the lace bag. Comes with the OG hang tag with the fade print, Jordan Jumpman. Inside of the booklet has like the specs of the shoe, Air Jordan 1 High, some little details about Michael Jordan and how they made the shoe. Just the build of the shoe and things like that. Back of it has the Nike logo. Same as all the other 85s, bro, but this black and white is clean, man. With all the Panda hype and with everybody going crazy over Panda lows and black and white dunks, man, Jordan brand definitely knew what they were doing releasing these in the time that they did. They could have been released black and white Jordan 1s. They could have released them as the regular build, as all the other Jordan 1s they're doing, not 85 cuts, but they seen the hype. In my opinion, Jordan brand seen that black and white Panda hype. Just want to get in on it. Not saying that this is a new colorway. This is definitely an OG colorway. This has been released and came out before, but I feel like within the time frame, Jordan brand just trying to get in on that, man. And I ain't mad at it, because I've been wanting these joints anyway. Now, getting into the actual shoe, man, it's a regular Jordan 1 color blocking, man. Black and white all the way around. Black on the toe cap, black on the heel. White and black wings logo right there. Smooth black leather across the back, man, with the white stitching, black stitching, man. Everything is lined up correctly on these joints, man. No flaws or anything like that. Same on the inside, man. Just a white and black Jordan 1, bro. Basic shoe, bro. That smooth white leather on that toe box. Nothing crazy there. White tongue. And on the tongue tag, it is a white tongue tag with the black Nike Air on there. And with the 85s, you do get a bigger check on that tongue tag. I guess this is what it looked like on the older pairs. Now, on the insole of these joints, man, a white insole with the black Nike check has a size tag. And it also has that like production sticker with all the specs and details of the shoe. They really took it back to 85 with these joints, man. Just like they do with all the other ones, man. I like them. I don't hate them at all, man. A lot of people are giving them slack because of the materials and the stiffness and blah, 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 bro. It's an 85, man. Jordan Brand's doing something different with the ones. It is what it is, man. I'm over it. I'm happy I copped some pairs so I can try to secure a personal in these joints. And I'll let y'all know when I do that. But I'm here for these joints, bro. These joints are clean, bro. This is my favorite 85 so far, bro. It was the reverse bridge. I didn't get a chance to get the new beginnings pack, bro. That joint sold out and went through the roof. And I didn't get a chance to grab those, but this is my favorite one so far. Like I said, I do have the reverse bridge. Right here, my reverse bridge, man. White laces always, and all my bridges, all the black and red colorways. I always go with white laces. And this pair is clean, bro. And like I was saying about the shoe being stiff, it is stiff. It does kind of have a small crease or small wrinkle, but it doesn't really crease as bad as the 2016 bread type of Jordan ones. But this one is nice. It is stiff, like I said, but as far as longevity, man, I feel like they will break in a little better than those. But I also like the fact that they don't crease as bad and as quick. But you got a fan of me with the 85 pairs, man. I like these joints. Hopefully they go ahead and do breads and royals and give us some more OG colorways like this. And maybe like the UNC colorway. I have those. They're released in 2017, 2016, whenever the UNC ones released. Still got those back there as well, man. I haven't wore those yet. I'm gonna wear those at a upcoming sneaker event, man. Go ahead and rock those joints, because I know a lot of these shoes are gonna get retro, man. I rocked my black toes for the first time recently at SneakerCon San Antonio because of the rumors of us getting the reimagined version. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some miles on those, man. Get the reimagined version and put those on ice, and I'll wear those in a few years, man. So that's just kind of my mindset with all these Jordan 1s releasing and retroing, man. And I got other retros of the exact same model. I'm gonna wear the older one, man, and then just put these joints on ice, man. Now, other than the fact that these joints have a slightly different cut, I know these supposed to be like super highs, but in my opinion, these joints are like a lower actual cut than the regular Jordan 1s that we've been getting. And I can show you a comparison of the 85s and like a pair of breads or something like that and show you the side by side. But those are actually slightly lower in the cut, but it's just a different build, man. Different grain of leather, man. Definitely stiff, like all the way around. All of the leather is definitely stiff, but we'll see how it breaks in once you put a lot of miles on them. I like the shoe. I like the black and white colorway, of course. Easy wear, man. With all the Panda hype, I'll be glad to have these on while everyone is still rocking Pandas, man. Now, these joints were kind of limited. I believe it was like around 40,000 pairs on sneakers. Probably like 100,000 pairs total with your boutiques and things like that, man. So joints are kind of limited, man. Now, these joints did release for 200 bucks. Resale right now is like around 315, 320 for like size 9.5 and under. Then the bigger sizes are like around 350 to 380. In my opinion, this is the lowest that they will be. I got these pairs from Sneakers. So all of the shipping pairs are coming in. Maybe a few boutiques, their shipping process is still happening, but they're gonna sit right around this range. I don't see them dropping too much lower. And with them being a black and white color, bro, these are gonna shoot up in the next 3 to 4 months. And especially with the new Jordan movie coming out in April, man, I can see all of the OG colorways just going crazy. These, Lost and Founds. Any Jordan 1, man, I can see the price shooting up. So I say go ahead and grab these joints ASAP. I don't want you to pay $450 and $500 at a resale shop. So check your local Facebook groups, man, and try to get them from a person-to-person interaction where you can negotiate and actually grab them joints, man. And I say grab them now, bro. I think this is the lowest the price will be. This is very affordable with them being a $200 shoe already. With them being around that $350, $300 to $380 range, man, I say grab them now. Super clean colorway, very versatile, and they're gonna last, bro. They're gonna last. Now, another difference in the midsole on the 85s, man, you can see like a lot, I guess I can say like a more bumpy midsole. It's not as smooth as the other Jordan 1s, but it's still fire, man. Still the same shoe overall, but just a bunch of different details, man, different cuts. And like I said, the most noticeable detail is just the stiffness, or better leather, as they say, not tumbled at all. Everything's smooth all the way around, like no pebbles, no tumble. But a solid shoe, man. Has that pure white midsole on these joints, all black outsole with the Nike on the bottom. Black and white all the way around, man. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Did you guys cop these joints? Did you grab them for retail, resale, man? Did you grab them from sneakers, your local boutiques? Just let me know how you feeling about these. Let me know if you copped them, and let me know what you paid, man. I want to know what you paid, and if you didn't get them, I want to know what you're willing to pay for these, man. I want to know just your price range on these joints. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got that smooth leather on these Jordan 1 High 85, black and whites, pandas, whatever you want to call them. I call them black and whites, but you can call them pandas. It is what it is, man. It's a black and white shoe. Pandas have taken over. Pandas taking over the world. It is what it is, man. But that just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing, quick review of these joints. If you want to grab them, hopefully this review helps you. If you didn't want to grab them, hopefully this review kind of clarified and justified your choice of not buying these joints, man. But until next time, on the next video, we got the 85 Jordan 1 High, black and white. Peace.